I went on Instagram and I made a flyer and a post just showing, hey, let's go on a PCH cruise. So that's what we're gonna go do. And just like last time, I don't know if you guys remember the first, oh, that's just rude. I swear to God, man, everybody just loves to fly up Vineland Avenue right here. It's just ridiculous. Anyways, got the car all cleaned up right now. I just finished wiping the whole thing down top to bottom. I mean, I even cleaned the exhaust. Like, she's super clean. You can eat off of her right now. And checked the oil, topped off the oil, made sure everything was A1. She's ready for tonight, ultimately. Let's go ahead and turn off this music before I get copyrighted. All right, now that that's off, yeah, so as you guys remembered on the last little expedition we went on as far as going to Malibu with everybody, that was a good time. But I don't know. This one I think is going to be huge. It's going to be pretty big. I shared the flyer and people have been putting it everywhere. I have tons of you guys that are actually on my YouTube side of things, Instagram, everybody wants to come, so it should be a blast. Going to be closing up here in about 2 hours or so. Once we leave, I'm going to go up the street, hit the gym, get in a nice workout. After my workout, go home, shower, then I got to fly over to the E85 station, fill this puppy up with gas. Then we're gonna go to the meetup spot. I actually chose a meetup spot to be a parking garage, so it should be pretty cool, really cool vibes. And from then on, we're gonna hit the 405 to the 101, then the 101 to Topanga Canyon to Malibu Canyon, Malibu Canyon to PCH, and then PCH. From then on, we're gonna go to, you literally just fucked it up. Are you even going tonight? Maybe. He might go. From PCH, we're gonna drive all the way down to Neptune's Net. It should be a good time. I'm excited. Like I said, car's already cleaned, literally inside and out. It's super clean. I'm happy with it. Oil's topped off, everything's good, ready to go. Now, we just gotta get this guy home so he can clean his Camaro and hopefully make it out tonight. So yeah, let's see how this whole thing is gonna turn out. I don't know what to expect, but only time will tell. So we'll play it by ear, and hopefully everything's good. We have a good group of people, and we have a bunch of fun. I hear a wild Cody pulling up in the C7 Z06. I really want one of those cars, but I don't, because literally everybody has one. Ooh, what are you gonna hit me?
Austin, watch my car really quick.
Oh my God, what did you do?
Hurry, get the squeegee.
It's horrible.
You're horrible.
This is really bad. Your wheels are brown.
It's dirty like me.
Look at it. Oh, I like the shirt though. I like the shirt. You know what's funny? Today at work, I wore my Subi Fest t-shirt, and we were painting, and I literally laid my back on a wall and destroyed the shirt and a pair of shorts.
Good, Subarus are trash.
Coming from the guy who sold me, I don't know if you guys remember the 17 STI I bought. That was actually this guy's. And yeah, he didn't want to be filmed, but he actually bought an Evo that nobody knows about. Bought an Evo because he hated Subaru so bad. And I don't know, he liked my Corvette so much, he had to get the same color, but in a C7.
Just do things bigger and better, that's all.
Oh, big talk for a little man. Hurry up, go wash your shit. Oh man, this is gonna be a rowdy night. All right, Noodle, I'll see you later, buddy. We gotta go. Oh no, it's locked. We gotta go. All right, let's get it, boys. Oh yeah. Damn, Cody has me detouring. Now I got people. I told Sam, I'm like, hey bro, we gotta go to the Chevron. Cody's getting a car wash. Oh man. So Sam should be here already. Oh, he brought the GTR instead? Oh no! Oh, he didn't bring the Subaru! Ooh! Oh, and Willie's here with the 1LE. Hell yeah, boy! Oh, brother! Yeah. I like it. So why not the Subaru?
Huh?
How come not the Subaru? You said twins.
Yeah, fuck it, drive the GTR.
Woo! Alright, I'm gonna park next to you. Uh-oh! You finally come out because Sam came, huh? Yeah! Let's get a look at these two. Oh, shit. Alright. Oh, they're so shiny when they're clean. They're just so shiny. Oh boy. Oh boy. Damn. Damn. Oh, so they're just so good together. They're just so good. Where's your GTR, man? Gotta join the squad. Oh, brother. And then Cody, I don't know where he went. He went in there for some reason, but he needs the squeegee, man. It's still dirty. Like, fuck. Damn it, Cody. Hurry up, buddy. Oh, pretty girl. Oh, Cody. I thought you were like in front of us. What the hell? Oh damn, I messed up. I was doing like 50 miles per hour. The infamous fastest 5th gen ZL1?
Yeah, I wish. How you been?
What's up, dude? Good, bro.
That's what's up, man. That's what's up.
Man.
I started being like you, man. Start hitting the gym and shit.
You have to,
like,
bro.
Bro, that's my problem, bro. I kill myself at the gym. Like, I kill myself at the gym.
Yeah.
But my problem is, I eat like a pig.
It's like you don't get anywhere.
Exactly.
I know. That's how it is when I have cheat meals. Nothing happens.
Yeah.
Nothing happens. Hey, easy.
What's up, man?
Easy.
Bro, Cody. Nice to meet you. This is
Oh man. Hey, can I hear your car? Can you turn it on?
Hell
Please?
yeah.
Please?
Yeah.
Please?
Is AJ coming?
Yeah, dude. Yeah, I guess he's gonna pick up his girlfriend and shit. Oh man, it's so dirty. But you know what?
It is dirty.
Oh wait though. Oh my God, here we go. Oh. Fuck yeah, America, brother. Dude, it makes me miss my car so much. God damn. And he's on tire. He left the slick and skinny at home though. God damn. She's a showstopper. What's up, dude? How's the car? Good? Oh man.
Feels nice and healthy.
Ooh, okay. This is nice. I actually really like this front end a lot. A lot of people give the new body shit, but I love it. Looks really good. It's good, bro. How are you, man? Good. Good, bro.
Yeah, wait for the squad. No, just in that group chat. Oh no! Oh, he has AJ.
Oh, you have the bag? Yeah, no shit. I saw you at my shop.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, remember that? In the alley. You were parked in the alley. I think you were going to the amp shop next door to me. I walked outside. Yeah. I remember that. Small world, bro. Damn. Ooh, that sounds nice. Oh, Omar. I like the color on that Mustang. That's nice. That's real nice. Is that Bobby Chocolati? The hottest man in the West? What's up, dude?
Where's your car?
Right there.
Where's Cody?
With some chick. Hello.
How are you?
Good, how are you? Ooh, so you got her back, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, man. Damn. But you're like just in time to sell it.
Exactly.
Is that...
They said that in Target.
Are you excited to get rid of it?
Yeah. Like partially yes and no.
Let's go see what you want to buy, huh?
Like either throw another 10 grand and go 650 kit,
Yeah.
or go another 70 grand.
Yeah.
You'll see.
I know, bro. How are you?
Yourself?
Good, man. How's everything?
Better. Getting through it.
That's good. All in due time, bro. Oh my God, they have Baby Yoda on that Camaro. That's amazing. God damn. Here, like 10:15. You're gonna go to Target? Go do some grocery shopping while you're here.
Yeah.
I might as well.
Bro, just my luck. I went to sort the...
No. Turbo's gone?
Yeah, it blew up on the hour. I was gonna bring it. I was like, fuck yeah, let's bring it tonight, and it blew up.
Oh, damn. Honestly, I would not mind getting rid of the GTR for a wagon. But you can't find wagons anywhere. They're just gone. More Camaros, man. More Camaros. SS. Nice. Nice. God damn. Is your car, bro?
Yeah.
Nice car, man.
Thanks, man.
Oh yeah. 6th gen, 6th gen. We got 1 Series. More Beamers. A super clean M2. That car looks really good. Man. Man, oh man. We're growing in size. Well, I'm gonna put the camera down for a little bit, and we're still waiting for my boys to show up. Aziz and Talal. They should park here if somebody doesn't take their spot. Hopefully they can park here. That'd be cool to get a picture of all of my people. Literally, we're all in our own little area here, so that's pretty dope. Hey, Bobby! What's up, hot stuff? Oh, look, it's like we're meeting all over again. Oh man, just more and more people rolling up. It's crazy. There's just so many. A lot more. It's gonna be pretty good. Damn. Still more people coming. Ooh, TBT, huh? Oh, my dude. My dude. Damn it. I like it. I like it. You didn't bring it out on tire tonight, huh? You being bashful or what?
Fucking, that's it. I got a flat on that shit.
No! I actually shot this car. I love this V, man. This thing's so good. Abel. Oh yeah. Look who it is, the bearded wonder himself. Woo! What's up, hot stuff? Oh man. My sister. I don't know, you can park next to the M3. We're all parked right here. Oh man. Pretty girl. Pretty girl. Those who don't know, my car is literally neck and neck with my buddy's Evo. That thing is nasty. Absolutely nasty. She's pretty too. Oh yeah. Dude, it smells so good. Manny! Damn, dude.
What's up, Austin?
I'm so happy for you, bro. It like makes me like emotional, dude, because I know how bad you wanted one. And you finally got it. Oh man, now it's making me want my vet again, dude. What the hell? Oh, just like my vet. Damn it. Damn it. Who remembers the Grand Sport, dude? That was a fun car. It's a decent sized meet. We got that filled up. We've got that filled up all the way down on both sides. And we've got this filled up. That's pretty cool. All we're waiting on is my boys, and we should be ready to head out. Right, Abel?
Yes, sir.
Yep. You stud. Hey, I'm not going to bring my fucking $200,000 third gen Camaro. I'll bring the Jeep. Finish your shit, fool.
I will.
Damn. Park?
I will. I'll park away.
No. What the? No. These are all of my crowd. These people right here. You can park on the side of the red Camaro or on the side of the white Evo.
This is my girlfriend, Austin.
You have a girlfriend?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. You got a good one right here, man. This guy.
She was like, "Who's taking you to the movies?" Austin.
Okay, I like movies. I'll fully admit, and I invite him all the time, and he just leaves me on red. So you must be pretty important. Pretty important. We might have a little beef for now. Look who it is. What's up, dude? Man.
Where's your STI buddy?
Which one?
Lucid Culture or whatever.
Oh, the blue one?
Yeah.
He's on his way. He said he was literally 5 minutes away. Dang. Woo. What's up, buddy? How are you, man? What's up? Why didn't you bring your car? Dude, look at this interior. Oh my god. Dude, I want it. It's so pretty. It's so good. If you want, you can park next to the black Jeep right there. All we're waiting on is my brother. Once my brother gets here, we're gonna leave. Okay? Look at this thing. Oh my god. Oh, it's so sexy. This is your boy right here. He's my brother, but that's your boy. Making everybody wait right now. Jesus Christ. It's ridiculous. Well, everybody's heading out unexpectedly. My brother completely dicked me over and had me have all these people wait for us all night long. And yeah, the cops showed up. Everybody's getting evicted. Everybody's in a scramble right now. Nobody knows where to go. This kind of just ruined the entire night. Hopefully we can salvage something out of this, because people are running around like chickens with their heads cut off right now because of all the cops. I mean, this is honestly pretty ridiculous, and it sucks because everybody's lost. We'll see who knows how to find me. But yeah, we'll find out right now. I'm so mad. I literally had this whole team, like we even had like 40 people leave. They even left because this was just taking too long.
Where's he at?
He said he's I'm coming. It's ridiculous. This is so ridiculous. Dude, I love this interior. This is just like, oh my god, look at it.
Yeah, that shit's sick.
Oh my god. Look at the seat. This is easier. People aren't going to be able to stop there. They won't be able to figure it out. Oh Jesus, there's people yelling at us now. Wow, this is like, oh my god. Talk about goals, eh? One day.
Definitely get this as a deal, y'all.
No, literally, once I have the money to have this as like a race car and this as a daily, perfect. It'd be the ultimate package deal, man, I'm telling you. All right, we're out. Let's go, boys. Whole Calvary's here. Let's get the fuck on. Let's get this night started. It's already 11 o'clock, Jesus. Hey, Manny! Damn. Oh! Good old LS3 power, baby. God, it's so loud. Oh my god, it's loud. Holy shit, it is so loud. Damn. God damn. Easy there, boys. We gotta let everybody catch up. Oh, TBT. Boy, I don't know if you can see what's going on back there, but man, we got a lot of people. We got a lot of people right now. Oh, Abo looking good as ever. Oh no, somebody gonna race him? Oh no. Oh shit. Everybody wants sauce with Abel, man. Now the Camaro? Oh my god! This is chaos! Oh! Bobby! Oh! Buddy. Oh. Hi, Cody kids. You ready to get sauced up, baby? Mr. Late finally fucking showed up. Oh man. There's so many of us, it's wild. Come on, Abel. Give it to him. Here's a straight. I've done it with all my cars, so it's only right. God damn. Oh, everybody's getting their shot at the tunnel right now. That's so cool. Well, we have officially made it to beautiful PCH, baby. We are on our way to Neptune's Net. Oh man, let's see if we can get able to do a pool. I want him to do another pool. I'm just like so in love with this car, to be honest. I love it. Damn! Oh, okay. Okay. That thing is ear-piercing loud. Pops. Oh man, Bobby's racing an F-body. Oh, Bobby! Oh, that Mustang's ready to beat both of them though. Damn. Oh shit, that GTI is fast. Damn. Oh, Abel in the GTI. Woo! Big flames. Well, we're all here letting the car cool down a bit. People are still showing up. I know, your car's all the way down there, huh?
Find like a 4 or something.
I know, that's why. I think we're gonna do 40s. I gotta get everybody together. But the whole goal of coming out here is to do some roll racing. So let's see if we can find some candidates for me and baby Abel. Let's see. Oh shit. There goes that. These two are having fun right here. This needs to be more organized. They're just going at it. We've even got more cars across the street. This has to be a lot more organized. I don't know what is going on anymore. There's a lot of cars too. Damn. Open call out. Open call out. Who's trying to get sauced on PCH? Let's see. What is this? I think this is the AMG and... Oh, it's a Mustang. Woohoo! Damn. Damn. Oh, they're chilling. That's the Golf. That wants to race me. Here's the AMG. Oh, I said one more time. You should maybe try and get something in with the M2. Maybe that's fast.
I'm trying to...
Yeah, let's go across.
What is this, boss?
Yeah. It's all stock though. He literally never even drives it. Damn. The party's across the street from what I can see. There we go. M2 versus the Mustang. Okay. Listen to this thing. Ooh. Versus the Mustang. All right, let's see how this pans out. Here we go. Oh, oh, who got it? Damn, the Mustang's up ahead. There's the vet. Oh man. 6th gen. Look at this guy. I gotta find somebody to race, dude. Nobody wants to fuck with my car. I guess it's just too fast. Somebody's gonna want to race me. I don't know. Hey, good shit, bro.
Hey, not too bad against a bunch of automatic.
Right? Hey, you're killing it, bro. Good shit.
Who are these guys coming in too cool like that? Looking like
I know. What the hell?
Looking like an initial D lineup and
We got a whole other car club pulling up right now. You see this, Bobby?
What?
Whose people are these?
What the hell?
Oh, those are the other people! Those are the other people. Holy shit. They actually came. Oh, man. It's lit now, boys. Oh, it's Abel. Oh, Abel. Huh?
shit. Is Abel, no?
Yeah. I don't know.
I think he was gonna go in.
Let's see what's going on.
Cody, be nice to the Mustang.
AJ versus Mario. It looks like something happened with AJ's. It broke up. Oh, damn. Is that Abel? Oh my god. Oh, god damn. That thing is loud. God damn.
Oh my god.
Well, with that being said, everybody's heading out, going home. I'd say it was an overall success. I had a blast. I think everybody did. Anyways, with that being said, I thank you all for watching. Stay tuned for the next meet. I think that'll be super cool if we all meet up, you know, to go for a drive again. I think that'll be super awesome, but definitely we'll get that done. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. You know, I had a lot of fun, and I think these are the best videos from what you guys said. You guys always tell me, like, dude, these are literally the best videos ever when you go out and you have these car meets and races and stuff like that. So, you want racing content? You got racing content. Anyhow, guys, I'm tired. It's 1 o'clock in the morning. We're all the way in PCH. I'm a ways away from home. I'll see you guys later, and stay tuned for the next video. Good night. Damn. Well, if you made it this far, you deserve some tunnel blast action. Lift off. Never gets old. We've got even another one.